Welcome everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel and checking me out. I highly appreciate it. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, go ahead and comment. It really helps out my channel. So what we're going to be working on today is a high top bun with 2 braids coming down on each side. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and began parting where 1 braid will be going, and I'll be going ahead and doing the same thing on the other side. I'm going to add my edge control to the part to clean it up. And if you keep on watching, I'll keep on explaining. Sectioning off the hair so that I can thoroughly oil my little client's hair strands. Using jojoba oil, I'm going to go in and rub it from the rooter to the tutor, baby. So I'm going to go ahead and section this piece off right here so that I can go ahead and begin braiding in an upward direction to where the bun will be sitting. To maintain the neatness of the braid, I add edge control as I'm braiding. So that's what you see me doing here. And you want to make sure you braid all the way to the tip. So you want to make sure you go ahead and repart within that same area. I went ahead and I added some detangling spray to soften her curls to make it more manageable for me and easier on her. And I go ahead and I clean up my part with more edge control. I will leave all of my products in which I'm using in the video in the description box. You may notice that as I part, I go over the part once again. And I do this so that I can maintain neatness. I don't like to see braids that look like the parting is missing or the parting is all over the place. So I try my best to be as neat with the part as I am with the braid. Now the back is all done. I'm going to be moving on to the top, but firstly I'm going to be moisturizing her curls with some jojoba oil. With the tip of my comb, I'm going to be using its tail to clean the part and then go ahead and do that diagonally. Whatever you do to one side of your client's hair, make sure you do it to the other side so that both sides are identical, or at least similar. This is where the uniqueness of the hairstyle comes from. We're going to be starting the braid backwards. So that means the braid will be hanging on each side of the stylo's face. So now what you see me doing here is putting the client's hair in a ponytail using an elastic. I'm going to go ahead and twist so that I can have a little bun. Accessorize the bun with a bubble or a hair clip of your choice, and then add your beads. Adding the beads, this is what her hairstyle looks like, and this is a shot of how it looks like from the back. I'm pretty much done, but before I do that, you know I'm gonna have to lay her edges down. And here we are. Thank you so much for watching. I've included personal pictures just for your reference. If you do happen to try this hairstyle, please let me know in the comments section. Tag me on Instagram at Stylengracehaircollection. Bye.